Good morning, good morning. It's another good. It's a Wednesday. Look at how our palm tree has grown. They are doing well. It rained yesterday. They're doing well. I think this one is still doing so well. This one is growing. You can see. If you look closely, I knew it was not going to do well. What about this? And this one is doing so well. If you compare the last time I showed you this and now, actually you'll see the difference. I knew this one had died. I knew that he had a problem the other day. A mistake happened and we overreacted. I think something happened. Good. Our palm trees are doing well. This one here. This is our latest bean. This one is almost we need to do a bit of doing well. To do some work here. This is the state. This is our tomato, remember it? We have been harvesting it. In fact, nowadays we don't buy tomatoes. We have enough. This is. We're also waiting for that. You can see it's almost fruiting. This is our paper. It's also fruiting. This a bit of our kitchen garden. Some work was done here, but I think we can do more. I think I need to plant some yam here around this waste point. That is our water point. And our tomatoes. You can see. We have budding. You can see. It's like it's almost breaking. We really need to do something about it. Our kales. I think we need to spray them. They are not doing that well. To do some work. So late I've been busy. I've not been working on this kitchen garden, but you can see there's some good work going on. We are back. I remember this house. We said that we are doing some renovation. We are working on the renovation. We are not yet through. This is our small dining. You doing something. I know by the end of the week we are supposed to be this is our air conditioner, a good one. You can see some magnificent plant there. Our TV area. We are equally working on our bedroom, though it's dark, but by the end of the week it's supposed to be at least ready. We are doing some paint work. And a bit of 1-2. Then I think lastly we'll work on our kitchen. And that will be it for today. I think you can now compare our first video and then you see if are we making any improvements. We can end it there.